Unit 3, Our Plan. What are we covering? This is a 3-part course, the Complete Bible Overview. It's a big course, and so we're breaking it up into 3 parts. So what are we going to be covering? So in part 1, we're going to look at everything from before creation all the way up to the United Kingdom of Israel. So the creation of the Kingdom of Israel, everything that happens, and there's a lot that happens in there. We're looking at from Adam to Noah, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and on up into the creation of the United Kingdom of Israel. In part 2, we're going to go from the United Kingdom itself all the way up to the coming of the Messiah. So everything there, the split and the return to the land, all of that great stuff is going to be part of part 2. And in part 3, we're going to look at everything from the life of Christ all the way up through the book of Revelation. So we got our work cut out for us. So let's look at this one. We are now in part 1. So what is our plan for this one? So in module 1, we're going to do an introduction and an overview. We're going to kind of set the groundwork for everything that we're going to cover in module 1. And module 2 is going to be all about before creation. So everything that happened before the creation of the heavens and the earth, the angelic realm. We're going to look at all those pieces and try and organize them from different parts of Scripture and see how we can look at everything that happened before the creation of the physical realm. Then in Module 3, it's going to be all about creation itself. And then in Module 4, we need to look at the fall, because the fall is extraordinarily important for everything that follows. So that's going to be Module 4. In Module 5, we're going to go from Adam, and we're going to look at everything up unto Noah. Then in Module 6, we're going to go from the flood up to Abraham. We're going to look at Module 7. We're going to pause, and we're going to go deep on the importance of Abraham, because he is one of the most important people to understand for the whole Bible, because the New Testament references back to Abraham so much. And so we're going to spend a whole module just looking at the importance of Abraham. From there, we're going to go everything from Abraham up until Joseph. In Module 9, we're going to look at Moses, Exodus, and Law. In Module 10, we're going to take a look at everything from Moses all the way up to Samuel. That's going to include Moses, it's going to include Joshua, and it's going to include the time after Joshua, which is the cycle and the judges. And then in Module 11, we're going to do a overview of everything that we're going to cover in part 2. So Module 11 is just going to be very much looking forward to everything from where we leave off here, which is Samuel, all the way up to the coming of the Messiah. So this is going to be fun. We're going to have a good time together. But in our next unit, Unit 4, we need to answer this question, and that's a very simple one. What is the Bible? Is it a random collection or a cohesive whole?